This is Mia. Yeah, say hello to camera. Say hello. Right there. This is Mia. I think she's 14 years old. She's still hanging out, but she's good. She's good. She's a good kitty. A little bunch. She got a haircut, I think, like a month ago. But she's still doing good. She's getting her hair furry back. Yeah. Hey, hashtag shaved cats. Yup. This is Mia. She's my baby. She's soft. I like her. You like cats? I like cats. I like dogs. Mainly dogs. Huskies. Dobermans. Good. Yeah, you like that. You like that scratching, huh? Don't you? I like that. Yeah, you like the scratch on your ear. Yeah. See you all next time. Another video. Yeah, see you guys later.